I am Abigail Penaranda, and I will be discussing about tobacco. What is tobacco? Tobacco is a plant known for its dry leaves that are used for tobacco products, such as cigarettes and cigars. Its main substance is nicotine, which is a highly addictive psychoactive chemical, although it also contains harmful chemicals like tar and carbon monoxide. Numerous studies have established that tobacco use and addiction is detrimental to health as it causes physical and mental concerns. According to World Health Organization, tobacco use kills over 7 million people each year. American Lung Association claims that 51% of deaths of general population are caused by tobacco. According to the National Institute on Drug Abuse, cigarette smoking is the most popular form of tobacco usage, wherein it is burned and inhaled via lungs. Aside from that, there are also other forms, such as chewing tobacco, snuff, hookah tobacco, cigars, and pipe. However, as those become more restricted, e-cigarettes snatched the popularity in recent years. It is used to combat cigarette addiction because it is supposed to be less harmful as nicotine enters the brain through smoking cigarettes and sometimes absorbed in the mouth. However, even e-cigarettes are found to contain toxic substances. Because of harmful substances found on tobacco, not only nicotine, it causes physical health issues such as cancer on lung, the most common cause of death, but also on mouth, esophagus, cervix, and kidney among all others. Moreover, there are lung diseases like chronic bronchitis and emphysema that causes difficulty in breathing in adults and children who inhale the smoke. Chronic bronchitis destroys tiny hair in the airways of lungs and makes it hard to breathe, while emphysema damages air sacs, making less oxygen enters the blood. There is also the risk of heart disease, including stroke and aneurysm. Since tobacco contains stimulant drug and other drugs, it not only affects the body, but also the mental health of people who use it. Other than addiction to increase dopamine levels, there can be mood disorders like anxiety, despair, tension, and depression because the sense of relaxation given by smoking is temporary and without continuous consumption, users become irritable. There is also impairment of cognitive functions, such as concentration and memory failure, as stimulant drugs affect central nervous system and aggravate pre-existing mental health. American Lung Association stated that patients with major depression and other disorders, such as bipolar and psychotic, are most likely to use tobacco to lessen the symptoms of those illnesses and thus doubling the risk. Tobacco usage has various consequences, such as mortality as it causes more death than individuals who consume alcohol or other substance. It causes chronic illnesses and impairments as physical and mental health deteriorates. There can also be cancer and respiratory problems due to the substance in tobacco. Secondhand smoke from tobacco products can lead to major health concerns, especially for pregnant women, such as infertility, and children who are vulnerable to lung diseases. As such, tobacco use is not only a problem for users, but also to people around them because of the secondhand smoke. Because of the substances it contains that are addictive, users suffer health consequences and still find it difficult to quit. However, as the problem is common, there are services and other medication that aims to help people to recover. There is nicotine replacement therapy, prescription drugs, counseling, and support groups that are available for help. Thus, while it can be difficult to quit, users may lessen their consumption for a better health of them and the people who surrounds them.